Today, we're diving into Illuvium, a Web3 game that's heating up fast. Their team just dropped some huge news, and the charts are hinting at a breakout. Picture this, a $250,000 pro league, sales smashing records, and a price setup that could take ILV to new heights. Whether you're into gaming, trading, or just curious about what's next in crypto, this video's got you covered. We'll break it all down: news, gameplay, and my exact trade plan. You won't want to miss where I think this token's headed. So, let's jump in and see why Illuvium's making noise. Let's kick things off with the headline that's got everyone excited. Illuvium just unveiled their Pro League for 2025, and it's massive. They're throwing down a $250,000 prize pool across 3 tournaments: IPL 250, IPL 500, and IPL 1000, building up to a $150,000 main event in December. That's serious cash. Here's the cool part: it's open to anyone. No need for a battle pass. Just jump into the qualifiers starting August 16th. They're pulling in 64 players through points, ranked ladders, and even wildcard invites. Why does this matter? More players mean more action in the Illuvium ecosystem, and that's fuel for ILV's growth. Illuvium is stepping up, and I'm here for it. So, what's the community saying? Over on Twitter, Kieran Warwick, the brain behind Illuvium, laid out their master plan from a year ago. Make Arena a top-tier auto-battler, turn Overworld into a replayable MMO, and ramp up marketing. He says it's working, and players agree. Someone named Dare jumped back into Arena and couldn't believe his old holos. Those are in-game assets, popped up, giving him that real ownership vibe thanks to Web3 tech. He loved the sleek new menu too. Then there's Bushy, who called Arena polished as heck, with fresh mechanics to master. He's pumped for the MMO Overworld. New folks are flooding Discord too. This energy, it's a sign Illuvium's hitting its stride. Now let's talk real money. Illuvium's fuel sales just spiked 355%, hitting an all-time high. They've also sold over 4,000 ILV Summer D1 SK units, and their weekly revenue chart shows a monster jump in week 31. This ties right into the Pro League hype and growing player base. Oh, and here's a flex. Illuvium's ranked second on Lunar Crush's alt rank, beating out most altcoins in price and social chatter. That's huge. It shows this project's got legs, real demand, real growth. If you're hunting for fundamentals that scream potential, this is your cue. For the gamers out there, or anyone wondering what Illuvium's about, let's peek at the gameplay. Arena's getting love for its smooth, competitive feel. Players like Bushy are digging the new mechanics, even if they got roasted in their first match. Over in Illuvium 0, Drachnian hit Nexus level 4 by maxing out resource efficiency, logging in often to keep things rolling. The Overworld's shaping up as an MMO2, pulling in fans who can't wait for the vertical slice, a big preview coming soon. What sets this apart? Web3 means you own your stuff, like those holos Dare raved about. It's a game where your time and money build something real. Alright traders, this is your moment. Let's crack open the ILV USD chart on the 3-day time frame. Price is sitting around $22, up from $15 when I last covered it in May. We've got a long descending trend line from March 2024, still capping us, but a smaller one from December broke in July. Bullish vibes there. The super trend's been green since late July, acting as my support line. If it flips red, I'm out of the short-term trade, but I'm still holding my long-term stash because this project's got legs. Heikingashi RSI indicator is pushing overbought, but it can hang there for weeks in a strong run. For new users, RSI just measures momentum. High means we're hot, but not crashing yet. My DCA, or dollar cost average zone, is $16 to $24. Perfect if you're starting fresh. Profit targets? I'm eyeing 32, 45, 67, 100, 160, and $250. I'll trim a bit at each, say 10 to 20%, and trail my stop to lock in gains. This setup's got juice, but always watch your risk. Oh, and here's a bonus for you. MEXC Exchange is running a Starter Sparks event with up to $16,000 in rewards. It's live up to August 15th. Deposit and trade to unlock tiers, like $40 for a 100 USDT deposit and trade, up to $8,000 for the big hitters. New to trading? They've got your back with first trade protection. Deposit 100 USDT, make a futures trade, and if it flops, you get up to 100% loss coverage, minimum 5 USDT back. It's a low-risk way to jump in. Links in the pinned comment below. Use my referral to join the fun and support the channel. Don't sleep on this one. Illuvium is on fire right now. A $250,000 pro league, sales through the roof, and a chart that's teasing a big move. This game got it all. Whether you're playing it or trading ILV, there's opportunity everywhere. Love this breakdown? Hit that like button and tell me in the comments. What's your take on Illuvium? Are you bullish? And if you are new here, subscribe. I'm digging into gems like this all the time. Oh, and check out my last Illuvium video. It's linked on your screen right now. Thanks for hanging out with me. In crypto, knowing what's up is your edge, so keep learning, keep growing. Never financial advice. I'll catch you tomorrow in the next one.